What's up, everybody? Welcome back to CCV at SMC. I'm Chad, your host. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2005 Chrysler Crossfire Coupe. This is a really sporty car here. You don't see too many of these out there on the roads anymore. But let me tell you, folks, this is such an interesting, unique vehicle. This one has the V6 3.2 liter, 330 horsepower under the hood there. And also, you got it, a manual transmission. Wow. What a fun little car. Let's go ahead and start looking at it. All right, to kickstart this video, let's go ahead and start looking at the exterior of the car. You know, as always, I show you the exterior condition of any pre-owned car that we're selling. And take a look at this one. Wow, is this not a beauty? This small, sporty Crossfire Coupe. Black in color with the black interior. I mean, this is just such a unique vehicle. You know, you can really see the Chrysler brand and name just popping through the front here. You know, it kind of has that first gen front end with the Chrysler 300 with those headlights. It's incredible, though, how they fit a 3.2 V6 under the hood of this small car. But there it is, and look how clean it is with just around 108,000 miles on the engine and body. Pretty low mileage there for a 2005 if you ask me. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the hood down so you can see what she looks like with it all down. There's that Chrysler logo there. You also notice the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total, indicating that you got a V6 under the hood. Not too bad. She's really looking good. I'm liking it a whole lot. It's my first time actually laying hands on a Chrysler Crossfire. Now, to match up quite nicely with the big engine, you also have a good looking set of 6-spoke wheels. And look at those rims. Aren't they in good shape? They really are. So you got a 225 40 series tire wrapped onto an 18-inch wheel. And let me tell you, folks, back in 2005, 18-inch wheels are kind of like 22s today. I mean, that was a big rim on a small car. It really fills up that fender well quite nicely. Also liking the sides here on the fenders, just really making it flare out and look good. Has the tinted windows. And again, coupe. Look how it just kind of rakes down in the rear. Taillights are in great shape. And then you get the two exhaust pipes right down on the bottom. I'm liking that. Look at that. Wow. I mean, this thing is super sporty. Now, if you didn't know, but I'll tell you, right here, you can hit a switch on the inside of the car here and actually pop up a spoiler. So I'll do that for you right now. All right, sitting inside the Crossfire, getting kind of a look of what it's like from the driver's seat. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot on the clutch because it is a manual. We call it a handshaker in the car business. Go ahead and grab this key and turn. Oh yeah, there she goes. She sounds good. And yeah, the exhaust has got its own tone about it, kind of a nice sound. So it's not real quiet. It's quiet when it's running, but when it cranks up, you can hear that whoa, you know? And oh yeah, sounds pretty good. Anyways, a 6-speed manual transmission. I'm liking the silver. Looks really good. This car, as you can probably tell right now, is in really nice condition. Dash looks good. Steering wheel's in great shape. Only 108,944 on the mileage. Again, that's low mileage for a 2005 if you ask me. All right, let's go ahead and hit the button right here for the rear spoiler. I'll show you where that's at. That button is located right here. You can see a little logo of a car. Let's see if we can zoom in just a little more. All right, there you go. You can see a little logo for a car with a spoiler up, with a spoiler down. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that button right there. And then, yep, I'm looking in the rear view mirror and the spoiler is up. Let's go ahead and hop out the car and see what it looks like. All right, so the spoiler is up. Doesn't that look cool? Really does. To me, it just kind of sets things off just a little bit more. Reminds me of some of those old school Porsches back in the day. You know, even some of the new school Porsches that, you know, you get to a certain mile per hour and that spoiler, when you hit around 70, it just kind of lifts up, right? Anyways, but either way, it's cool that you can actually have it up whenever you want. and drop it down whenever you want. So, and everything works just fine. No issues at all with any of that. All right, as we move through the video, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. So, we'll start off in the back here. See what kind of space you have in the rear. Not really too bad. It's a little hatchback. And the opening's kind of tall. Not too wide, but tall. And actually a pretty decent amount of room back there. I mean, look at all that space. So you can fit some groceries in. You could probably get a golf bag in here. There's a lot of room this way and that way, so you could fit a golf bag in there if you wanted to. The reason I say that is because we live here in the low country in Charleston, South Carolina, and there's a lot of people that enjoy golfing, and this would be a great little car to, you know, scoot around Charleston in and head over to the course, have a few drinks, and enjoy a beautiful day out there on the golf course. But whatever you want to do in life, right? It's all up to you. You got some room back there. Back window looks great. I mean, honestly, everybody, this car is in beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the interior. I know you just got done seeing the dash and everything like that, but here's a door panel. Just a nice, clean door panel. You got some netting right here, which is still in good shape. You got a speaker, got some silver kind of polished aluminum trim. Got a tweeter here, so you got components set on your stereo. And it does have SRS, which is side airbags. Seats are in good shape. No rips, no tears. I mean, just a really nice, clean seat. Got the rubber mats. And again, just a really clean car. AC blows cold. Everything works as it should, which is always important. Let's take a look at what the front looks like now that we got the headlights and blinkers on. There you go. So you got your projectors and the blinkers up top. And as you can hear, that V6 is pretty quiet right now. It's not really all that loud. Can't even hardly tell that the engine's even running, but you can hear that faint sound of that V6 just running under there. Anyways, she looks really good. So let me tell you, how much money, right? You're probably wondering, like, hey, Chad, the sales guy over at Southern Motor Company and the guy on YouTube, right? How much money is it going to cost me to buy this car right now, right? We're in 2021, July 2021. This vehicle right now today is $69.90. How about that? $69.90 for a 05 Crossfire in beautiful condition with 108K on it, manual V6. What a bunch of fun. Definitely is. All right, everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you need to see more, we can provide that for you. I usually do a separate video with a test drive, so let us know if you'd like to see that, or just stop by and do business with us right here at Southern Motor Company. What a great vehicle. What a great dealership, great people. We're here to help you get your next car. We got all types of vehicles. As you can see in the background, a Type R Honda Civic, Ford Expedition, Suburban, Jeeps. We keep Volts and hybrids and Priuses and electrics and even cars just like this. Thanks again, guys and girls. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, follow and like on Facebook. And thanks for being here with us. We'll see you soon.